Unlocking the hidden gems. Underrated macOS 26 Tahoe features. macOS Tahoe 26 is more than just a redesign. It's a game changer for power users. While the operating system shares a sleeker look with iOS and iPadOS, its standout features double down on what makes the Mac uniquely Mac-like. From terminal upgrades to automation that adapts to your daily life, these updates are designed for people who want control, flexibility, and efficiency. Let's break down what's new and why it matters. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple has always balanced innovation with usability, but some critics argue that macOS is becoming too similar to iOS. Still, the latest update proves that the Mac isn't just following trends, it's setting new standards. Terminal gets a fresh visual overhaul. Nothing screams Mac like the terminal. macOS Tahoe 26 brings a major upgrade to this essential tool, adding support for 24-bit color and customizable themes. Imagine tailoring your command line interface to match your workspace, whether it's a vibrant coder's desk or a minimalist setup. New Powerline glyphs even let you display status bars or rich prompts directly in the shell, making every command feel more intuitive. Shortcuts now understand your world. Automation has evolved. macOS 26 lets shortcuts trigger based on real-world events, file activity, battery levels, time of day, even specific Wi-Fi networks or calendar events. For instance, connecting a monitor to activate your work focus mode, while a new file on your desktop might auto-sort into the right folder. It's like having a smart assistant that learns your habits. Notes now supports Markdown and call transcripts. The Notes app has a new twist, Markdown formatting for seamless cross-platform use. Plus, if you use the phone app, calls will automatically transcribe into Notes. These transcripts can be saved, reviewed, and even shared. No more frantic notating during meetings. Safari's picture-in-picture is smarter. Multitaskers will love this. Safari now lets you move videos into picture-in-picture, PIP, from the page menu with controls in a floating window. You can skip ads, fast forward or rewind videos, all while working on other tasks. It's a small change with big convenience. Folders are now more expressive. Folder customization has never been easier. Assign emojis, color code folders with system tags, or set a default color for all folders. This visual flair makes organizing projects a breeze, especially when you're juggling multiple workflows. Pinned collections in Photos mirror your mobile experience. Photos now supports pinned collections, a feature first introduced on iPhone and iPad. Your most used albums or folders become instantly accessible from the sidebar with a redefined layout that matches iPadOS. You can even hide the sidebar or resize connection tiles for better visibility. Vehicle motion cues help reduce motion sickness. Apple's accessibility feature, Vehicle Motion Cues, is now available on Mac. This subtle visual indicator aligns with your car's movement, reducing discomfort when working from a moving environment. It's a full edition for travelers who turn their cars into temporary offices. Gaming gets smoother with low power mode. For gamers, macOS 26 includes low power mode during gameplay, allowing longer sessions on limited charge. Pairing a DualSense controller is as simple as connecting a trackpad. Just plug it in via USB-C. Switching between devices is even easier through Bluetooth settings. 9 to 5 Max take. macOS Tahoe 26 is a hybrid. It unifies the Mac's design with iOS and iPadOS, but still prioritizes its unique strengths. While some features are borrowed from mobile, others are exclusive to the Mac. This balance keeps the platform resilient and relevant for both productivity and creativity. Don't miss out. Add 9 to 5 Mac to your Google newsfeed, https://publications/kikini.pkmdof.google.com. And remember, Apple's choices often reflect what users truly need. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is where the conversation begins. Apple's macOS Tahoe Beta, a game-changing update revolutionizing the Mac experience. macOS Tahoe Beta is here. Are you ready for the most spectacular macOS update in years? The wait is over as Apple's macOS Tahoe version 26 has finally arrived as a public beta. This game-changing upgrade promises to transform your desktop experience with its stunning liquid glass design, innovative calling and messaging features, super efficient keyboard shortcuts, and unparalleled spotlight capabilities. As I dive into the world of Tahoe, I'm excited to share my initial impressions, and I must say, I'm tempted to make the public beta my daily driver, despite planning to wait for the full fall release. Will your Mac make the cut? Before you get started, ensure your Mac is compatible. Tahoe supports Apple Silicon-based desktops and laptops, including M1 and M4 chips, as well as the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020, 16-inch MacBook Pro 2019, 27-inch iMac 2020, and Mac Pro 2019. Unfortunately, if your Mac is older, you'll be left behind. Notably, Tahoe will be the last macOS version to support Intel-based Macs, marking a significant shift in Apple's strategy. Unpacking the biggest changes in macOS Tahoe, here are the top updates in macOS 26 in order of importance. 1. Liquid Glass, a visual masterpiece. Apple's new design language, Liquid Glass, boasts a mesmerizing, semi-translucent interface. While it's undeniably stunning, I have mixed feelings about its potential to distract. Is this a deliberate design choice or a marketing gimmick? You decide. 2. iOS Phone app, seamless calling and messaging. The full phone app has arrived on macOS, complete with the ingenious Hold Assist feature. This, coupled with the call screening feature, revolutionizes your calling experience. 3. Spotlight, the ultimate productivity powerhouse. With hundreds of new search capabilities and actions, Spotlight has become an indispensable tool. Discover how to perform complex tasks with ease using intuitive keyboard shortcuts. 4. Shortcut automation, streamlining your workflow. Formerly the domain of advanced users, the Shortcuts app now offered trigger actions, making it effortless to automate tasks. Say goodbye to tedious AppleScript functions. 5. Live translation, breaking language barriers. Experience the magic of real-time text and voice translation in messages and phone apps. This groundbreaking feature is poised to transform global communication. Interface and design, navigating the Liquid Glass landscape. Widgets and menu bar, customization at your fingertips. Folder customization, unleash your creativity. Improved productivity, enhanced app layouts and more. Calling and notifications, enhanced parity with iOS. Phone app, a game changer for productivity. Live activity notifications, stay connected. Search improvements, Spotlight's quantum leap. Actions menu, unlocking effortless automation. Clipboard history, never lose a copy item again. Automation, shortcuts just got a whole lot smarter. Trigger actions, simplifying complex workflows. Live translation, the future of communication is here. Messages and phone apps, seamless language translation. More system updates, a treasure trove of enhancements. Clock, journal, notes, passwords, photos, Safari and terminal. Discover the latest updates. Testing Tahoe risk-free, a step-by-step guide. Follow a simple tutorial to install the public beta on a separate volume, ensuring your current setup remains unaffected. The verdict, Tahoe's promising start. As I continue to explore macOS Tahoe, I'm eager to see the final product. With its plethora of usability improvements, elegant liquid glass design, and groundbreaking features, Tahoe is shaping up to be a masterpiece. Stay tuned for the full release this fall. And don't hesitate to share your thoughts on these exciting updates in the comments below. About the author, Edward Mendelsohn, a contributing editor at PC Magazine since 1988, shares his expert insights on the latest macOS update.